Presentationmate allows me to not have to spend time keeping track of pens, pen lids, and instead I can spend time actually inviting students up to the board. Is there an eraser?
You erase.
Oh my gosh.
Yes.
I keep wanting to use my hand because that's what this is what I've been doing for 2 years, but I don't have to do that anymore. Oh.
You really do like it.
Oh my gosh, this is the best.
You don't have to search
and
for
it
it.
balances, and there's pink.
There's colors.
I don't know if pink is in my budget. So I usually have my pens sitting on my desk with all the caps off when they dry out, and I have to do all my notes on paper and then project them. But I love being in front of the classroom more than behind it.
Right. It's easy to carry. It looks like you're pretty comfy with it.
I'm ready to take this home.
It's all for you.
You have no idea how excited I am about this actually. Like, I'm serious.
They're nice, aren't they?
So comfy. I just like holding it. It makes me feel more confident. This is going to change my teaching forever.